In the old days, they thought land is dirt, cash is king, so you'd be rich in cash. The problem is today, if you want to be a builder, a house builder for instance, how are you going to buy land if there's no land available for you to buy? Or if you buy, you can't build immediately, you're going to have to go for your subdivisions, your zonings, etc., etc. It'll take you anywhere from 2 years to 10 years to get all the infrastructure put into place. But if the market is now, how do you make market money now? So the guys that did very, very well, some of the home companies, especially in North America, and they've done fantastically well because they've built up a portfolio of nice size lands that were ready to be rezoned. So their trick was not to build anymore because the margins for home builders were very slim. So you needed to buy it from the landowner or the subdivider that had the land. So the money was in the subdivision. Today, back then you were at risk. Companies went bankrupt because they were holding too much land. They couldn't afford the interest payments. But because there's such a great demand for homes right now, people need land. And so if you have a lack of land, again, home prices are going to increase because where you're going to build, and if you're going to buy a home, how are you going to pay for the home if you can't buy one where your parents bought at whatever prices? So if you have a trustworthy landowner and subdivider that specializes in this, I mean, that's a good place, I think, also to make money. But again, you have to be going in for the long term, not the short term. Everything's a long-term hold. I think in real estate, you can think of 2-year terms, 5-year terms, 7-year terms. With me, I don't like to worry. I like to put everything 10 years and then come back and revisit stuff in 10 years. So whatever I'm working on today, I won't see it for 10 years. I don't know what's going to happen in 10 years, but I know that if I hold it long enough, that real estate will appreciate.